Welcome back to my channel. Today I will continue some portion of basic electricity. This portion belongs to both standard 9 as well as 10 because these are the basic things. Resistors connected in series and in parallel. In order to have a desired resistance in a circuit, resistance may be connected either in series or in parallel or in both. ओके, फर्स्ट हम देखेंगे रेजिस्टर्स इन सीरीज कनेक्शन में क्या होता है। R1, this is R2, this is R3. So this is B. Okay. In series connection, you just remember I is same. Same I will flow in all the resistors connected in series. What here is the voltage drop V1, this will be V2, this will be V3. Voltage is the difference, different, current is same. In series connection, voltage is the different, current is same. So we can write V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. But V equal to IR by Ohm's law. Implies IR equal to I R1 plus I R2 plus I R3 implies R, taking R equal to common and it will cancel out. Now, taking I is common, it will cancel out. We can write R equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay. So these are the resistors connected in series. Okay. So then again resistors in parallel. In parallel connection, in series connection, resistors are connected end to end. But in parallel connection, one end of each resistor is connected and the other end of all resistor is again connected. सबका फर्स्ट एंड यहाँ पे कनेक्शन हुआ तो सेकंड एंड यहाँ पे कनेक्शन हुआ। तो अब इसी में वोल्टेज समान, इन पैरेलल कनेक्शन वोल्टेज समान। खाली तुम इतना याद रखना सीरीज कनेक्शन में वोल्टेज अलग होता है लेकिन करंट समान रहता। पैरेलल कनेक्शन में वोल्टेज समान रहता है लेकिन करंट अलग होता है। हम कहेंगे सो यहाँ पे I इक्वल टू I1 प्लस I2 प्लस I3 by Ohm's law. V equal to IR implies I equal to V by R implies V upon R equal to V upon R1 plus V upon R2 plus V upon R3. So taking V common in this side, then it will cancel with this V. Then you can finally get 1 upon R equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Okay. This is the parallel connection. Okay. So series connection का equivalent resistance, where R is the equivalent resistance. Equivalent resistance of series connection is the summation of all individual resistance. Means capital R is the equivalent resistance equal to sum of all resistance of all resistors. Capital R equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. यहाँ पे सपोज R is the equivalent resistance पैरेलल में 1 upon R equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Okay. So ये little consideration will show. सपोज दो रेजिस्टर होते हैं, एक ये सीरीज में कनेक्शन हुआ, ये 1 ओम, ये 1 ओम, तो इन दोनों का इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस कितना होगा? R इक्वल टू R1 प्लस R2, 1 प्लस 1 इक्वल टू 2 ओम. सपोज इन दोनों पैरेलल कनेक्शन में हम ज्वाइन करेंगे इन दोनों को. So this is 1 ohm, this is 1 ohm. So equivalent resistance 1 upon R equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. Okay. In other words, 1 upon R equal to 2 implies R equal to 1 upon 2 equal to 0.5 ohm. So in parallel connection, the equivalent resistance will decrease, but in series connection, the equivalent resistance will increase. In our household circuit, we join all the circuit is joined in parallel connection. Okay, because parallel connection, voltage is same and resistance will less. So more current will flow. First thing, second thing, each resistor can work independently without the influence of other. Okay. Then for parallel connection, you just write like this. Suppose there are two resistors. This is R1, this is R2. तो इसका स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट, दोनों का स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट यहाँ ज्वाइन हुआ, दोनों का एंडिंग पॉइंट यहाँ पे ज्वाइन हुआ. ओके, सपोज दिस इज ए, दिस इज बी. वी कैन से, वी नो, सपोज इन दोनों का इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस R, 1 upon R equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 imply 1 upon R equal to LCM ले लो R1 R2 plus R1 imply R equal to R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. सब जो तीन रेजिस्टर होता है हम वो फॉर्मूला डालेंगे. कौन सा फॉर्मूला? अगर तीन रेजिस्टर होगा 1 upon R equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. तो इन तीनों को प्लस करना पड़ेगा. अगर दो होने पर हम डायरेक्टली ये फॉर्मूला डाल सकते हैं. Actually, in exam, most of the numerical, if numerical will come from this section, only it will come for two resistors. So this formula can be easily applied. Okay. Then only for standard 9 point of view, I am doing 1 to numerical, very easy numerical connecting series circuit and parallel circuit. Two resistors. Suppose question 1. are connected in series number 2 in parallel and they are equivalent सो ये सीधा हम फॉर्मूला डाल देंगे 8 ओम इसको 12 ओम कर दो 12 ohm 8 ohm 2 resistor one is 8 ohm one is 12 ohm so when there are series answer you can draw also figure to 12 ohm 8 ohm a b you can write here so equivalent resistance R equal to so R1 this is R2 equal to R1 plus R2 equal to 12 plus 8 equal to 20 ये bit 1 then in parallel ये R1 12 ohm R2 8 ohm we can write the formula R equal to R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2 implies 12 into 8 by 20 so 12 into 8 by 20 so इसको हम कर सकते हैं 96 by 20 ये आ जाएगा 4.8 ओके सो ये आ गया 4.8 then only one numerical because very easy numerical will come for especially for standard 9 so numerical 2 क्वेश्चन 2 में 3 रेजिस्टर 2 ओम 3 ओम 4 ओम find the equivalent okay answer you can also draw figure 1 without figure you can also draw 2 but for simplicity you should draw the figure so this one R1 equal to 2 ohm R2 equal to 3 ohm R3 equal to 4 ohm. So equal the resistance of the circuit R1 plus R2 plus R3. Yes, series connection. Series connection. Implied R equal to 2 plus 3 plus 4 9 ohm. Second R1 equal to 2 ohm, R2 equal to 3 ohm, R3 equal to 4 ohm. तो ये 3 है तो इसीलिए इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस निकालने के लिए हम ये फार्मूला डालेंगे लेट R इज द इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द सर्किट was 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 implies 1 upon R equal to 1 upon R1 2 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4 implies 1 upon r equal to 12. Upon 12. Okay. So 1 upon r equal to 13 upon 12. So r equal to 12 upon 13. Okay. 12 upon 13 equal to 0.92. 0.92. You just see ये तीनों को जब सीरीज कनेक्शन किए इस इन तीनों का इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस ज्यादा हो गया 9 ओम। जब पैरेलल कनेक्शन किए तब इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस कम हो गया 0.92 ओम। तो पैरेलल सर्किट में कोई भी माने ज्यादा करंट फ्लो होता क्योंकि रेजिस्टेंस कम रहता, सीरीज कनेक्शन में रेजिस्टेंस ज्यादा रहता। ओके, so regarding series connection and parallel connection of resistors, whatever is comes in standard 9, also for the basic part of standard 10, these things I completed today. Hope you will go through these portions and will be benefited. Wishing you all the best. I remain. Thank you very much.